Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, well, I have been waiting to get this part for a long time. I've been keeping my eye on this part. I finally got it. As you guys can see in the title, I have received my Digidizzy, which I'm going coil unplug, coil plug instead of the distributor, because those will eventually die and can't find them. I received the box today, and hey, watch it. throws the actual main part.
For real.
So
you don't have spark plugs yet.
I need to go get spark plugs. So I'll probably head on the Grom and go and get some. So I believe I need to get some NGK iridiums. And with this kit, I got the full B-series Vtec kit from Digidizzy. This is pretty dope. This kit included some K20 coil plugs, which he's opening up right now. I believe it should have their logo on there. And then it comes with a coil cover, comes with the whole harness, and then the main part, which is in here. Just went ahead and got some spark plugs. I got the laser iridium premium ones. I just paid a little more for the best ones they had. So got those. And for this, we're gonna go ahead, take off this cover, those 10s right there, take this 12 off. They usually have bolts right there and one down there, but for me, I just have one because it works like that. It doesn't move. So yeah, and then obviously you got to disconnect it, and then that whole thing comes out. So go ahead and get that dip. The black and the orange, not gonna lie, it actually looks pretty nice.
Looks really nice.
It looks really nice. I don't think anybody here in town is running a coil unplug whole system. I don't know of who else. But yeah, if not, then I'm the first. So he's going over there, smocking it up right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the new, actually I don't even know what it'd be called. I guess the Digidizzy, and bolt it up. It should come with its own bolt. I did clean up this area. It was a little nasty, but it is nice and clean. So now go ahead and get that. And then later on, I do want to get an OBD1 harness because I am running my stock harness.
Yeah, perfect.
Fresh. So this right here, putting the ground on right there.
Make sure it's super clean.
Yeah, it's true. Get it clean, and then go ahead and throw the ground on, because that's going to be very important. So one thing they included was the tool for the main bolt,
And it's got the round edge, so you can...
yeah, that's pretty dope. Shout out to Digidizzy, dude. I'm gonna go ahead, throw on that main bolt, because it's nice that it only comes with only like one instead of all three. So that was a smart move on them. So now we have everything on, and well, still gotta connect the coils. But what we did is we put it at TDC. Then we obviously connect the ground, put this on, and then have it all the way to the right, like that. You gotta put it in accessory mode, then everything should turn on. We have to get to 8 degrees, which the green light will turn on, and then go past more to 16 degrees and the green light should turn off. Then from there, set the bolt in, tighten it, and then obviously plug everything in. Then it should be ready. So let's get to this.
Try to look for that green light, so move it slowly. Green light, that's 8 degrees. If you guys don't see it, it's right there, right above the red one. The other ones are red and blue, just in case y'all are colorblind. So we're moving. There, it turned off. Let it go. That's 16 degrees. It wants to move back just a little bit. So as soon as it turned off, I let it go and it gradually moved back and the light's still off. So that's perfect right there.
Now we're gonna go ahead, get this special bolt. This thing looks pretty cool. And go ahead and tighten it up.
You know what? This is for my camber kit, dude. This isn't yours.
So yeah, go ahead and set it right there. Get the tool. Shout out Digidizzy again.
We tightened it up. and that green light came back on. So let's see if we can get it off.
It's off right there.
Right there. So if we go back, that's green. That's off. So now we tightened it. That's exactly 16 degrees. When we tightened it, it moved back. So I just want to make sure that it's not on.
So now we can go ahead, obviously plug it in. I keep saying that. Now we can turn it on.
Yep. Very good.
We're all connected. Let's start this baby up. All right, start it up. Huh, interesting. I don't have RPM. Might have to turn it back off and see. That's interesting. All right guys, so from that last clip, well, it wasn't working still. We got the Digidizzy on. It's been like a week or two since that last clip, but I went ahead and threw on the stock RPM tach right there. And well, it works with that, just not the Omni. So I've been contacting Digidizzy and he's been saying that I'm the first to have this problem. Now, just trying to solve why it's not reading. Sent him a couple of broken Omni RPM tachs for him to try out. I'm hoping it... Whoa, what the... I just noticed the nuts are gone. What? Oh no, that's not good. Now I need to get some more. I found some acorns and I threw them on and gave them a good snug now. So I think my dad was the last one to put that on. I'm gonna blame him. But anyways, overall, I'm satisfied. I can feel it idles more smooth, and then, oh man, it's dirty. And yeah, it's just overall better than the OEM distributor. So I would highly recommend it for your B-series. He also makes it for like any other like B, D, K, F. Oh, sorry, not K, F, H. So I would recommend getting it. There you guys have it, the Digidizzy. It also included, I don't know if I remember I showed it, but it also included a cover so you don't see all the electronics, but I'm gonna keep it because it looks pretty fancy. So that's gonna be it for today's video. So if you guys liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe with that notification bell on. And until next time, peace.